Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set who can comment on your TikTok video. So let's get started. First, we're gonna go to our profile. We're gonna do that by selecting the icon that's in our bottom right corner. Now we're gonna select the three stripes in our top right corner. Next, we're gonna click on settings and privacy. Now we're going to select the second option, privacy again. As you can see in the interactions area, the first option we have is comments. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now we're going to click on comments that says everyone. And as you can see, you can pick whether you want everyone to be able to comment on your videos and stories, only your followers, or no one. So you can set your privacies as you like. For example, in this video, let's set them to followers that you follow back, or as they are called on TikTok, your friends. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.